With Bitcoin now in price discovery mode, many altcoins are looking to play catch up and have started to form a nice bottom formation. So in this video, we're going to take a look at SUI and what I expect from here, potential areas to look to accumulate this coin if you haven't already, and potential targets over the coming weeks and months. Before I begin this video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I'll pin a comment with two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us. So yeah, looking here at SUI, we know that this was one of the strongest performers right at the start of the year, has cooled off a lot since, having a massive move down from the $5 region into around $1.50. And just recently we have created a lower high on the weekly time frame as well. We've had a couple of really strong weeks on this coin, but we are right under weekly resistance at the moment. We can see this is an area to keep an eye on over the coming hours as we head into the weekly close, whether this weekly resistance breaks, which runs from the all-time highs back at the start of January. So acceptance above this, and we can look for continuation and a push higher next week. But of course, if we do see a close below this, then we're going to be looking at levels for a potential entry on a pullback. Now I'm going to head to the 3-day chart because I think things are a little bit clearer on this. We can see that on the 3-day chart, the downtrend resistance is exactly the same as well. So a number of 3-day candles have rejected this, and again we're trying to break from this now. But just to show you, this little area of demand is a place that I'm really interested in. If we do get a pullback, so it's sort of the $3 area, perhaps just below $3, for me is a place I'll probably look to take a swing or a spot position, looking to trade into Q4 2025. Yeah, big level for me. So that's sort of $3 down to around $2.85. Looks like a really nice place to accumulate. That is obviously assuming we do get a close below this level. Yeah, and over the coming days and over the coming weeks, just keep an eye on that level. A good place to set an alert in my opinion. Now if we do get a breakout, or when we do see the confirmed breakout of this in terms of targets, then you know we have this area of resistance on the 3-day and the weekly, which would be up at around $4. So $3.96 was a 3-day resistance. We had a number of 3-day candles couldn't close above that. That was the formation of the recent lower high as well. So the first target is obviously up at around $4, just under $3.90, and then beyond that we have the target up here at around $5.10, which was the 3-day resistance at the all-time high. So that's what I'm looking for is, as I mentioned, $3 for a pullback, but any confirmed breakout we can look to target $4 in the medium term, $5.10 beyond that. In terms of my sort of if I had to predict a top for the cycle, it's very difficult because obviously we're going to be looking at a coin that's likely to go into price discovery mode over the coming months. If we did use the fib levels from the top there up to the recent bottom, which we saw at the start of April, and we use the 618 fib, that's coming out around about $7.80, which I think is quite a realistic target, to be honest, for SUI. Many people think it will go much higher, way above $10, but if you set that as sort of a third target beyond the two that we've currently looked at, so $7.80, I think if you can position any time sort of around this current area, would give you a very nice return. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments on SUI. Are you holding, and what your targets are for the bull run? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.